Bobby Ray Parks Sr., November 26, 1961, March 30th, 2013, was an American professional basketball player from Grand Junction, Tennessee. He played for Memphis State University from 1980 to 1984 and played internationally in the Philippines, Indonesia, and France. As one of the most celebrated import players in the Philippine Basketball Association, PBA, Parks became the second American ever inducted into the PBA Hall of Fame in 2009. Parks was chosen in the third round by the Atlanta Hawks in the 1984 NBA draft, the 58th player of 228 chosen in the draft. Wearing his trademark No. 22, Parks played for the Hawks in the NBA preseason, but was cut before the regular campaign started. He also played parts of 4 seasons in the Continental Basketball Association, appearing in 83 games for the Pensacola Tornadoes, Mississippi Jets, Rockford Lightning, and Rochester Renegade between 1985 and 1994. He was selected to the CBA All-Defensive Second Team in 1986. Philippines, Parks began a career overseas in France in 1986 and in 1987, then played in the Philippines where he would become a legend. He made his PBA debut with San Miguel Beer in 1987. He saw action the following year for Formula Shell until 1999. He finished his 12-year PBA career with nearly 9,000 points, over 3,000 rebounds, and more than 1,000 assists in 220 games. In 1989 alone, he averaged 52.6 points in 23 games with a high of 72. Parks won a PBA record of 7 Best Import Awards and led his teams, San Miguel and Shell, to 3 PBA championships. While in the Philippines, Parks also appeared in several Filipino movies. Retirement. He returned to Memphis in 2005, partly to finish his degree under the invitation of Coach John Calipari and the athletic department. Another motivation for the move was to bring his son Bobby Jr., a promising teenage player, to Memphis to expose him to better basketball competition. Parks also served as the personal assistant to John Paul Jack Jones, a wealthy University of Virginia alumnus from Memphis, who is the namesake for UVA's current basketball arena. On June 2, 2010, Parks and his family moved back to the Philippines. Parks accepted a position as athletics director at National University in Manila. During that time, he was suffering from laryngeal cancer. His treatment was reported to be successful in April 2011. In 2011, the San Miguel Beermen ABL joined the ASEAN Basketball League and named Parks its first head coach. He led the team to a finals appearance, losing to the Indonesia Warriors. Death. On March 30th, 2013, Black Saturday, Parks died after a lengthy period suffering from lung cancer, which developed from his previously untreated laryngeal cancer. Legacy. To commemorate Parks' legacy, the PBA renamed the prestigious PBA Best Import of the Conference Award to the Bobby Parks PBA Best Import of the Conference Award. The award was renamed on March 31st, 2013, a day after Parks' death, as it coincided with the scheduled awarding during the 2013 PBA Commissioner's Cup. The first recipient of the renamed award was Robert Dozier of the Alaska Aces, coincidentally, also a former Memphis player. Parks became the second American and the first import ever inducted into the PBA Hall of Fame on October 9, 2009. Parks was inducted into the University of Memphis M Club Hall of Fame on September 10, 2004. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.